another cover. This is hive tool. Dummy board. This nose is loose. This side loose. Three finger use. Two and eye level. And knife remove and other side. Okay. Three finger juice. Three finger juice.
Three finger. Three finger.
This is broad. This is pollen, yellow color. And this is larvae, pollen, shiny, unmature honey. Okay. These are worker. This is drone. These are drone.
Okay.
All these workers. Okay. So now, घुमाओ. Yeah. Okay. Is also brood. Shiny honey. Okay. All these worker.
Okay. Queen.
What is this?
Brood.
And
Pollens.
this yellow color.
Pollens.
Okay. और ये white color.
White color. Mature.
Larvae.
Larvae.
Okay. Yeah. Brood. Yeah. This is this side. Yeah. Brood is also. This is queen. Queen. This side. This is queen.
Queen ఎక్కడ ఉందో? Okay.
Sure.
దాని కింద స్లోగా పెట్టి ఇది వచ్చి
అంతే